Okay, good morning. Don't put attendance right now. Kadam Sujata, put your video on. I will ask when you have to put the attendance. Okay. So today we'll discuss some examples. Let me admit people first. Don't mark attendance. Kadam Sujata. Wait for the instructions. मी जेव्हा अटेंडन्स सांगेल त्याच वेळेस टाका आणि तीच अटेंडन्स गायब झाली जाईल. ओके. बरेच जण मध्येच ग्रुप सोडून जातात अटेंडन्स टाकल्यानंतर. तसं होणार नाही. अटेंडन्स मी जेव्हा इंटिमेट देईल त्याच वेळेस टाका. मध्येच टाकू नका. कोणतरी लेफ्ट झाले परत. Okay, we'll start our lecture. We'll see some exercise example related to polynomial ring. This type of example you might have seen in your undergraduate course. Just we'll see here. So read that example. What is asked? Verify that the following polynomials are irreducible. And what is the definition of irreducible polynomial? Irreducible means suppose f of x. The polynomial f of x over polynomial ring f of x means the coefficients are found field f. This field f. This is capital field f notation of f. Renuka Shinde, okay. Okay. This f of x is said to be irreducible if you are able to write a of x into b of x. What is the condition to get f of x as irreducible? When f of x will be, if f of x is written like this, and when one can say that f of x is irreducible. Can you put in chat? When this f of x is said to be irreducible? F of x is said to be irreducible over f. When f is a field. This function f is small and field f, this is the field notation. Otherwise, we can use the algebraic notation like this. So can somebody put in chat? In the beginning lecture, we have discussed what is the meaning of irreducibility. सांगू शकते कोणी? Chart मध्ये mention करा irreducible. If it is possible to have that f of x as factorized as a of x into g of x, b of x. A of x and b of x must be polynomial. Somebody have mentioned in the chat. A of x and b of x must be polynomial over same field. If so, it's said that if coefficient belongs to field. No, it's not like that. A of x and b of x. What is the condition on a of x, b of x? Likewise, in the last class, we have discussed that 1 plus x square. The polynomial 1 plus x square is irreducible over field of real number, because if you try to factorize it, you have this factorization 1 plus xi, but the coefficients are not field of real number, so we cannot factorize in the real number. We cannot factorize. So meaning that here, okay, I will say when it is said to be reducible, or somebody can say either like prime number you can compare. The number pi is said to be prime when it is prime. Pi is said to prime if either a is unit or b is unit of r. One of them has to be unit. If both are non-units, then pi is a composite number. But if either a is unit means in the set of integer, you know the units. What are the units? 1 and -1. So 5 has factorization. 5 has factorization. 1 into 5, one can write -1 into -5. So -1 and 1 are the units, like that. So similarly, either a of x has to be unit in the polynomial ring, or b of x has to be unit in. That is, who are the units? Who are the units in the f of x? The units of f of x are the constant polynomial, non-zero constant polynomial, non-zero constant polynomials that you might have been discussed in your BSc class also. The units of polynomial rings are non-zero constants polynomial. So how you decide non-zero constants? Degree of that polynomial, degree of a of x has to be 0, or degree of b of x has to be 0. So one should be able to factorize this. One should be able to factorize this in such a way that one has to be unit in that field. So what you do, we have two definitions regarding reducibility and irreducible. So reducible is reduce. Reducible means we can factorize f of x has factorization a of x into b of x, then degree of a of x is strictly less than degree of f of x, or degree of b of x is strictly less than degree of f of x. दोघांच्या डिग्री स्ट्रिक्टली लेस दॅन असेल याचा अर्थ काय होईल? डिग्री समजायची एकाची जरी इक्वल टू असेल, हे ऑर स्टेटमेंट आहे, एकाची जरी इक्वल टू असेल तर काय होईल? दुसऱ्याची डिग्री 0 येईल, ते कॉन्स्टंट येईल. म्हणजे रेड्युसिबल काय? दोघांची डिग्री काय असावी? एफ ऑफ एक्स पेक्षा लहान असावी. आणि दोघांची डिग्री एफ ऑफ एक्स पेक्षा लहान असेल तर ऑब्विसली ते नॉन युनिट्स असणार आहे, एवढं लक्षात घ्या. त्याला रेड्युसिबल म्हणायचं. आणि जे तसं असणार नाही त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? इररेड्युसिबल. जे रेड्युसिबल असत नाही त्याला आपण इररेड्युसिबल म्हणतो. तर आपण हे एक्झाम्पल पाहूयात. Now this is the polynomial and your field is Z2, 0, 1. So you need to just check that whether it has linear factor, whether that has roots in or field f. You have to just finding the roots. What is f of 0 of that polynomial? Your f of x first polynomial function was this. F of x is 1 plus x. So f of 0 is 1. You can see here 1 plus 0 square plus 0 cube plus 0 raised to 4. So it is non-zero means 0 is not root of this. And similarly, you check f of 1. What is f of 1? 1 plus 1 square plus 1 cube plus 1 raised to 4. Since these are odd number of terms, so addition is 5 and which is 1 when you write modulo 2. So which is non-zero. So neither 0 is root nor 1 is root. Once you have root in that field, means we can have factor, a linear factor like 0 and 1. तर त्या पॉलिनॉमियलचं 0 आणि 1 हे रूट नसतील तर आपण ते फॅक्टराइज करू शकत नाही. आणि फॅक्टराइज करू शकत नाही म्हणजे त्याचे हे रेड्यूस होत नाही. रेड्यूस होत नाही म्हणजे ते काय आहे? इररेड्युसिबल. हे पहिल्या एक्झाम्पलचं. दुसऱ्या एक्झाम्पल्स पाहू आपण इथे. Limbalkar Shubham, I have not asked for the attendance. I will not consider this attendance. मी इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिल्यानंतर जे अटेंडन्स पडतील त्या टाइमच्या अटेंडन्स कन्सिडर केल्या जातील. अटेंडन्स आता टाकायचे. मी जेव्हा इन्स्ट्रक्शन देईल तेव्हा अटेंडन्स मार्क करा. So we'll have this second example here. One can check easily. In the second example, your suppose call it as g of x. You just need to calculate what is g of 0 and what is g of 1. Whether you have to check whether either 0 or 1 are root of that polynomial. So it is 1 plus 0 plus 0 raised to 4, that is 1, which is non-zero. And secondly, it is 1 plus 1 plus 1 raised to 4, 3 means 1, which is non-zero. So both are the non-roots. They are not roots of this. So g of x does not have roots over f2. Means g of x is irreducible. हे वहीमध्ये लिहायचं तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित आहे, कारण मी आता हाताने लिहून सोडते. तुम्हाला ज्यावेळेस व्हिडिओ पाहताल त्यावेळेस वहीमध्ये लिहायचंय. Simply you just need to find the roots, if you are able to find roots of this or not, that we are discussing. So look at this third example. Third example, your polynomial is 1 plus x cube plus x raised to 4. So what is f of 0? F of 0 is 1 plus 0 cube plus 0 raised to 4, which is 1. This is non-zero, means 0 is not root of it. It doesn't satisfy this polynomial. 0 doesn't satisfy this, means 0 is not root of that equation. And secondly, f of 1 plus 1 cube plus 1 raised to 4, it is 3. 3 modulo 2 is 1, which is non-zero. So neither 0 is root nor 1 is root. Neither 0 is root nor 1 is root. That means f of x is irreducible. This is also irreducible. And you are checking over f2. Now these two examples are for over f3. These examples are for over f3. We'll see. B part. F3 is feed with 3 elements. And feed with 3 elements is standardly it is Z3. And what is f of x? Polynomial f of x is 1 plus x square. You need to just check that whether these 3 elements are root of this f of x or not. So f of 0 is 1 plus 0 square, which is 1 not equal to 0. What is value of f of 1? It is 1 plus 1 square. It is 2. 2 modulo 3 is 2. And last, f of 2 is 1 plus 2 square. 1 plus 2 square means 1 plus 5. 1 plus 4, I think. 1 plus 4, it is 5, which is 2. 5 is congruous to 2 modulo 3. 5 ला 2 3 ने divide केला, remainder 2 येते. So neither f has neither 0 as root, 1 as root, nor 2 as root. तिघही रूट नाही, म्हणजे याचे लिनियर फॅक्टर पडत नाही, म्हणजे फॅक्टर्स पडत नाहीत. So this is also irreducible. 1 plus x square is irreducible over f3. But over f2 आपण विचार केला याचा जर आपण over f2 विचार केला तर ते काय? याच पॉलिनॉमियलचा आपण जर ओव्हर f2 विचार केला तर याचे फॅक्टर पडतात. आणि काय त्याचे फॅक्टर? 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअरचे फॅक्टर 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर ओव्हर f2. म्हणजे 1 हे त्याचं रूट आहे. x इक्वल टू 1 घेतलं 0 येते. म्हणजे ओव्हर f2 हा इरेड्युसिबल आहे. ओव्हर f2 हा रेड्युसिबल आहे. पण ओव्हर f3 काय होतोय? इरेड्युसिबल होतं. त्यामुळे फीड कोणती घेतात ते महत्वाचं आहे. बी केअरफुल अबाउट द फीड. Okay, we'll see for next example. This is 2 plus x square. F of x is 2 plus x square. So value of f of 0 is 2 plus 0 square, that is 2, which is non-zero. Value of f of 1 is 2 plus 1 square, 4. 4 means 1, which is non-zero. And lastly, value of f of 2 is 2 plus 2 square, which is 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 means 8 divided by 3, remainder will be 2, which is non-zero. So neither 0, 1 nor 2 are the roots of this f of x. So in this way, this polynomial is also The second polynomial is also irreducible. You are writing for this. This is irreducible over F3. And can you do for example? Or I will do in short time. Okay. F of x is 2 plus 2x plus x square. Over F3 you want to check. F3 means filled with 3 elements. F3 is nothing but Z3. And now you have to just check that whether these are the, if there is root, then it is reducible, otherwise it is irreducible. So f of 0 is 2 plus 2 into 0 plus 0 square, that is 2, and 2 is non-zero element in the field. F of 1 is 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 square. So this becomes 5. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1. 5 means 2. When divided by 5 by 3, remainder will be 2. You are writing this 5 as congruence to 2 modulo 3. Modulo 3 you are doing calculations. And lastly, f of 2 is 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 2 square. So its calculation is 2 square is 4 plus 4 plus 2. It is 10. And when you divide 10 by 3, you get 1 remainder. 10 is congruence to 1 modulo 3. You just recall the definition of congruence. 10 ला 3 ने भाग दिल्यानंतर बाकी एक पुरते म्हणजे 10 is equivalent to 1. So in this way, for the last polynomial, जर आपण विचार केला तर 0, 1, 2 हे त्याचे रूट्स नाहीत. रूट्स नाही म्हणजे आपण त्याचे फॅक्टर करू शकत नाही. So in this way, this is about first example. If you have any doubt regarding this reducible and irreducible, please ask in the chat box. Ask in the chat box. Okay, no problem. We'll move for second example. Now think on this and just mention in the chat. Read this question carefully. The next question, generalized question. Every quadratic or cubic polynomial is either irreducible or has a linear factor. आता कोणताही पॉलिनॉमियल हे काय असतं? कोणताही पॉलिनॉमियल हे रेड्युसिबल असतं किंवा इरेड्युसिबल असतं. एनी पॉलिनॉमियल. Or any field. It has two categorizations. Reducible and irreducible. Any polynomial has this category over the field F. Any polynomial has this category over the field F. So you are taking quadratic polynomial. What is the form of quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. This is the form. आता पॉलिनॉमियल हा इरेड्युसिबल असेल तर नथिंग टू डू. पॉलिनॉमियल इज इरेड्युसिबल कारण आता दोन कॅटेगरी केले तर इफ पॉलिनॉमियल इज इरेड्युसिबल देन ओके, बट इफ इट इज नॉट irreducible, that means if it is reducible, then try to show that it has a linear factor, quadratic or cubic. So what is the form of cubic polynomial? This is quadratic polynomial. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus g. This is quadratic and this is cubic polynomial. So every quadratic degree 2 polynomial and degree 3 polynomial हा काय असेल? Irreducible असेल किंवा त्याला linear factor असतील. If both were irreducible, then okay. If quadratic is reducible, then think on that. And if cubic is reducible, then also think on that. So how to solve? Just put in chat box. हा कसा सोडायचा चार्ट मध्ये मेन्शन करा. Can anyone? Did anyone try to solve this? क्वेश्चन समजलं सर्वांना? प्रथमतः क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनॉमियल घ्या. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू टेक क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनॉमियल. आपण दोन केस करू. Let f of x is x square plus bx plus c be any quadratic polynomial. When it will be quadratic? क्वाड्रेटिक केव्हा असेल? जेव्हा त्याची डिग्री 2 असेल. आणि त्याची डिग्री 2 केव्हा असेल? ज्यावेळेस हा नॉन झिरो असेल तेव्हाच. Be any quadratic polynomial that is degree of f of x will be 2 if and only if the highest coefficient is non-zero. If it is irreducible, then okay, we are done. If f of x is irreducible, then nothing to prove. But if f of x is reducible, f of x reducible म्हणजे काय? That is, there exists p of x in the polynomial ring, whatever polynomial ring f of x with degree of a of x strictly less than degree of f of x. I will say it has 2. This 2 is degree of f of x, and degree of b of x is strictly less than 2. And it both will not have degree 0. Here don't forget to put and here. Both will not have degree 0, or any one of will not. If any one of have degree 0, then it will be समजा a of x ची degree 0 आहे तर काय होईल? If a of x has degree 0, if you are writing this as a factor, with let's write it with f of x has this factorization. आता डिग्री लेस दॅन 2 याची डिग्री स्ट्रिक्टली ग्रेटर दॅन 0 असणार, कारण याची डिग्री 0 आणि याची डिग्री 0 आली, दोघांपैकी एकाची जरी डिग्री 0 आली तर f of x हा इरिड्युसिबल होतोय, म्हणजे कॉन्स्टंट युनिट येणार नाहीत ते. म्हणजे आता ह्याची डिग्री 2 आहे, f of x ची डिग्री 2 आहे, याची डिग्री 0 नाही, याची डिग्री 0 नाही, आणि याची दोघांची डिग्री 2 नाही, याची पण डिग्री 2 नाही, याची पण डिग्री 2 नाही, म्हणजे काय असतील? दोघांची डिग्री 1 आणि 1 असेल तरच ते 2 = 1 + 1 होईल. लक्षात आलंय? ए ऑफ एक्स ची डिग्री 2 नाही, बी ऑफ एक्स ची डिग्री 2 नाही, आणि एफ ऑफ एक्स हा रिड्युसिबल असण्या कारणानं ए ऑफ एक्स हा नॉन इंटरेस्ट असेल, बी ऑफ एक्स हा नॉन इंटरेस्ट असेल. आणि नॉन इंटरेस्ट असणं म्हणजे काय? त्यांची दोघांची डिग्री 1 असणार, म्हणजे ए ऑफ एक्स आणि बी ऑफ एक्स असे ज्यांची डिग्री ही 0 नाही आणि ज्यांची डिग्री ही दोघांची 2 नाही. मग जी 0 नाही, 2 नाही, पण लेस दॅन 2 असेल असा नंबर कोणता? तर दोघांची डिग्री 1 असेल, आणि दोघांची डिग्री 1 असेल म्हणजे काय? दोघांची डिग्री 1 असेल म्हणजे काय? यू मस्ट हॅव लिनियर टर्म्स, x minus some alpha or plus or minus whatever it is, and y minus some beta, whatever it is, plus minus काय असेल ते. So not y, x minus. So that means what is implies? It has linear factors. The quadratic equation, what it has? It has linear factors. Quadratic equation मध्ये काय आलं इथं? याचे linear factor plus alpha minus alpha काय असेल? काय problem नाही इथं? If alpha and beta are the roots of that polynomial. Reducible means if alpha and beta are roots of polynomial, the f of x has 2 linear factors. So what you have proved here? If you have quadratic polynomial over polynomial ring, then if it is reducible, then okay. Irreducible असेल तर okay. If it is irreducible, but it is reducible means you can factorize into product of 2 polynomials having degree 1. So degree 1 polynomials are called linear factor. Linear factor म्हणजे काय? हे या प्रकारचे लिनियर फॅक्टर्स आहेत, x - a, x - b, x - c, या प्रकारचे काय आहेत? लिनियर फॅक्टर्स आहेत. तर प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ लिनियर फॅक्टर लिहिलं आपण इथे. एफ ऑफ एक्स इज रिटन ॲज प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ लिनियर फॅक्टर. म्हणजे सिम्पली काय, क्वाड्रॅटिक पॉलिनॉमियल हा इरेड्युसिबल असेल तर काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही, पण तो इरेड्युसिबल नसेल तर त्याचं काय होईल, लिनियर फॅक्टर होतील. कारण फॅक्टर होताना तुम्हाला दोन टर्मचं प्रॉडक्ट लिहावं लागेल. दोन्ही टर्म ह्या काय असतील, लिनियर फॅक्टर असते. लिनियर फॅक्टर म्हणजे काय, डिग्री 1 इक्वेशन. सो if you have any difficulty, please ask in the chat regarding this. Otherwise, say no problem. No need to apply synthetic method here. We are not dividing to anyone. Vishnu Kadam, we are not dividing by anything. Now this was the one case, quadratic. What was the other case? Second case, cubic polynomial. To get cubic polynomial, your A has to be 0. Let f of x is this. Cubic polynomial, we need 4 coefficients. With a non-zero. That is, degree of f is 3. F is cubic. If f is irreducible, then we are done. If f is irreducible, then we are done. म्हणजे केसमध्ये 2 केस झाले, reducible, irreducible. पण if f is irreducible, but if f is not irreducible, that means f is reducible. f हा reducible असेल तर काय होईल, reducible definition प्रमाणे, then there exist 2 polynomials a of x. Then there exist 2 polynomials a of x and b of x with reducible म्हटलं तर मी डायरेक्ट 0 पेक्षा डिग्री मोठी म्हणतो, with 0 is less than degree of a of x, but has to be strictly less than degree of f of x. And what is degree of f of x? Degree of f of x is 3, strictly less than degree of f of x. This 3 is for degree of f of x. And is important, not or. And degree of b of x is also not 0, means greater than 0, but has to be strictly less than degree of f of x. So what are the possible values of this degree? Here possible values are 1, 2, and here also possible values are 1, 2, because the number between 0 and 3, number strictly between 0 and 3 is 1, 2, with f of x is a of x plus b of x. F of x is a of x into b of x, not plus. f of x equal to into, आता याची डिग्री 3 आहे, याची डिग्री 3 आहे, आणि ह्या दोघांची डिग्री 0 नाही आणि 3 नाही, म्हणजे याची डिग्री 1 असेल, दुसऱ्याची डिग्री 2 असेल, किंवा याची डिग्री 2 असेल तर त्याची डिग्री 1 असेल. म्हणजे काय झालं, डिग्री 3 लिहित असताना काय झालं, एक फॅक्टर लिनियर आला, म्हणजे ते लिहिताना लिहायचं व्यवस्थित. Since degree of f of x is 3 and the possible values of degree of a of x is either 1 or 2, if a of x has degree 1, then b of x has degree 2. मनियार शिरीन लेट अटेंडन्स टाकलं तुम्ही, उशिरा केला. मनियार शिरीन, शेवटच्या 5 मिनिटात अटेंडन्स टाकायचे, आता अटेंडन्स टाकायचे नाही कोणीच. हे सगळं चार्ट मी क्लिअर करणार आहे. तर f of x as factorization as a of x. आता हा a of x चा पॉसिबल व्हॅल्यू ही a of x ची पॉसिबल व्हॅल्यू ही 1 किंवा 2 असेल. मी 1 घेतलं तर b of x 2 येईल. a of x ची पॉसिबल व्हॅल्यू 2 घेतली तर 1 येईल. म्हणजे एक फॅक्टर लिनियर आला. ज्याची डिग्री 1 आहे त्याला आपण लिनियर फॅक्टर म्हणतो. तो पॉलिनॉमियल हुज डिग्री इज 1, that polynomials are called as linear factor. So in this way, cubic polynomial is also written as cubic polynomial is also at least it has one factor as linear. If it is irreducible, then we are done. But if it is not irreducible, then it has at least one linear factor. We will not talk about degree 2 here. Degree 2, that polynomial may be reducible or irreducible. If it is reducible, then we have two linear factors. So at least we have one linear factor there. So in this way, we have discussed here that every quadratic polynomial is either irreducible or has linear factor. Similarly, every cubic polynomial is either irreducible or has linear factor. So as far as the writing is concerned, hereafter how to write, I will explain here. Hereafter how one should write. याच्यानंतर कसं लिहायचं एखाद्याने की त्यानंतर आपण शेवटी जर लिहिलं असेल f of x is equal to e of x into b of x and degree of f of x is 3. So if degree of e of x is 1, then degree of b of x must be 2, and thus f of x is a product of one linear factor with quadratic factor b of x. Similarly, if this has degree 1, then this f of x is the product of one linear factor b of x with e of x. याप्रमाणे लिहायचं. तुम्ही ते लिहू शकता नंतर. आणि अशा प्रकारे कंक्लूड करायचं की every quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial is either irreducible. इरिड्युसिबल असेल तर काही प्रूव्ह करायची गरज नाही, पण इरिड्युसिबल नसेल तर तुम्हाला ते रिड्युसिबल दाखवत असताना एखाद तरी फॅक्टर त्याचा काय असेल लिनियर असेल असं आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं. काय प्रॉब्लेम नसेल तर मेन्शन करायचं. आणि याच्यानंतर तुम्ही अटेंडन्स मार्क करायचे, पुट युअर अटेंडन्स, आणि शेवटपर्यंत 23ला 23 राहिले पाहिजे. डोंट लिव्ह द क्लास. त्याच्यानंतरची अटेंडन्स कन्सिडर केली जाईल, मार्क केलेली. चॅट बॉक्समध्ये तुम्ही तुमचं नाव अंडरस्कोर रोल नंबर टाकायचा. मार्क युअर अटेंडन्स हिअर नाव. So we'll not have any difficulty here for this example, but we can generalize for is degree 4 polynomial. In the degree 4 polynomial, you may have it as a product of two polynomials having degree 2 which are irreducible. So be careful about that. Also, okay, this is an important example for number of polynomials. So mark your attendance. Mark attendance. Everybody mark. The attendance mark in the last 5 minutes will be considered only, not earlier attendance. And those who have marked attendance can read this example. Q is a prime number and n is positive integer. How many polynomials are there of degree n? Here you must have Q. Here you must have Q. Be careful about this. Otherwise, here you must have P. How many polynomials are there of degree n over zq. Zq or one may call it as fq also. And this q is a prime. So degree and polynomial has this pattern generally: a0 plus a1x plus a2x square. And to get degree n, your last coefficient has to be non-zero. That you keep in mind. So to get degree n, your last coefficient has to be 0. So can anybody guess how many polynomials will be there? Just you have to answer in one line. किती polynomial असतील असे डिग्री n असलेले Z2 वरती सांगा किती असतील. ओव्हर Z2 हाऊ मेनी. मला डिग्री 2 चे Z2 वर किती ते सांगा. डिग्री 2 म्हणजे काय? ax स्क्वेअर प्लस bx प्लस c ओव्हर Z2 किती आहेत? असे किती आहेत? हा a कंपल्सरी 1 असावे ते. a has how many choices like that you can do. व्यवस्थित कॅल्क्युलेशन करा. How many polynomials are there of degree n? So to get degree 2, this must be non-zero number. So this has only one choice here. This has only one choice. And now here our degree 2, to getting degree 2, here a is non-zero. So a has only one choice, that is a has to be 1. So multiply by how many choices b have? 2. And how many choices c have? 2. b can be 0, c can be 0, b can be 1, c can be 1. So your answer is correct, that we have 4. We have 4 for Z2. Now that can you generalize this for, we have less than 1 minute time. Can we generalize this for next? But if it is Z3, if it is Z3, meeting संपू शकते मध्येचा. If it is Z3, then A have 2 choices. A have 2 choices, B have 3 choices, and C have 3 choices. Because B can be 0, 1, 2, C can be 0, 1, 2, but A can be only 1 and 2 to get non-zero coefficient. To get degree 2, the coefficient has to be non-zero. So 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, 18. There are 18 polynomials. So among 18, we have to discuss how many are reducible, how many are irreducible. That will be the next example, and we will discuss in the tomorrow's class how to find number of irreducible polynomials and reducible polynomials. We'll discuss the same example also in